Plant FAQs. Tillandsia Butzii. Tillandsia Butzii, the air plant with otherworldly charm. I'm Fervu, and I'm obsessed with air plants. Tillandsias, with their diverse shapes and textures, have a way of captivating any plant enthusiast. But among them, Tillandsia Butzii holds a special place in my heart. This little wonder isn't your typical houseplant. Nicknamed the octopus air plant for its tentacle-like leaves, it thrives without soil, drawing moisture and nutrients from the air. Intrigued? If you're considering welcoming a Tillandsia Butzii into your home, here's a quick guide to everything you need to know. See more 690 species and genus Tillandsia air plants at monsteraholic.com. What makes Tillandsia Butzii special? Unique appearance. Forget lush greenery. Tillandsia Butzii boasts long, slender, green leaves that resemble underwater tentacles. These wispy appendages are adorned with subtle white spots, adding another layer of intrigue to its otherworldly charm. Compact size. This air plant is perfect for those with limited space. It typically grows to a height of 8 to 10 inches, making it ideal for terrariums, mounted displays, or tucked within a decorative bowl. Unexpected bloom. While not a frequent bloomer, Tillandsia Butzii can surprise you with a stunning red inflorescence that erupts into vibrant purple flowers. Adaptable nature. Native to the rainforests of Central America, Tillandsia Butzii thrives in environments with moderate to high humidity. However, it adapts well to average household conditions with proper care. Tillandsia Butzii versus other air plants. Picking your perfect plant. With hundreds of Tillandsia varieties, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Here's a quick comparison of Tillandsia Butzii to two popular air plants. Tillandsia ionantha, a classic air plant with silvery green, curly leaves. It's a low-maintenance option that requires less frequent watering than Tillandsia Butzii. Tillandsia capitella. This air plant boasts a dramatic, spiky appearance. It prefers brighter light conditions compared to Tillandsia Butzii and thrives with good air circulation. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your aesthetic preferences and the care you can provide. How to care for Tillandsia Butzii. Tillandsia Butzii may not need soil, but it still requires specific care to flourish. Here are some key things to remember. Watering. Unlike traditional plants, Tillandsia Butzii absorbs moisture through its leaves. Soak it for 20 to 30 minutes in filtered or rainwater once a week, allowing it to dry completely before placing it back in its display. Light. This air plant prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Humidity. As a rainforest native, Tillandsia Butzii appreciates moderate to high humidity levels, around 50 to 60%. If your home is dry, consider misting the plant lightly between soakings or using a pebble tray filled with water. Air circulation. Good air circulation is essential to prevent rot. Avoid placing your Tillandsia Butzii in stagnant air or enclosed spaces. How often should I fertilize Tillandsia Butzii? You can fertilize your Tillandsia Butzii once a month during the growing season, spring and summer, with a diluted air plant fertilizer. However, many enthusiasts find that proper watering is sufficient for healthy growth. Can Tillandsia Butzii grow indoors? Absolutely. As long as you provide it with the right amount of light, humidity, and air circulation, Tillandsia Butzii will thrive indoors. How long does Tillandsia Butzii live? With proper care, Tillandsia Butzii can live for several years, even blooming multiple times throughout its lifespan. Where can I buy Tillandsia Butzii? Many online plant retailers and specialty nurseries carry Tillandsia Butzii. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your Tillandsia Butzii thrives and adds a touch of whimsical beauty to your space. With its unique appearance, adaptability, and relatively low maintenance needs, this air plant is a fantastic choice for both seasoned plant collectors and curious beginners. So, welcome the otherworldly charm of Tillandsia Butzii into your home and witness its magic unfold.